Today we are going to learn a poem, How Creatures Move. Creatures, what do we mean by creatures? That animals. From this poem we will learn action words. Action word, do you know? Say yes. Yes, bolo.
Yes.
Yes. The action words. So first we will learn this poem. I will read aloud this poem. You listen and I will tell you some action words. Okay. Then we will do the action of these action words. Then more words you will be given. Okay. How creatures move. The lion walks on padded paws. The squirrel leaps from limb to limb, while flies can crawl straight up a wall, and seals can dive and swim. The one he wiggles all around, and the monkey swings by his tail. And birds may hop upon the ground or spread their wings and sail. But boys and girls have much more fun. They leap, they dance, and walk and run. Okay? So, some action words in this poem we have seen. That is walk. Walk. The action is walk. Okay, you will do also action. Walk. Walk. Then leaps. Okay. Do the action. Leaps. Okay. Then the action word dive. Okay. Then the action swings. Swings. Then the this action word came in our poem. That is dance. Do dance. And the next word, that action word come, that is run. Okay, very good. Sit down. So these are we called action verbs. They shows us walking, leaps, dive, swings, dance, and run. Okay. Now I will give you a one cheat. You have to select one cheat and you have to action it. First, see what this word C-R-Y, cry. What is this word?
Cry.
Cry. Okay, do action of cry. Okay. ठीक है? Okay. What is this word?
Cry.
Cry. Okay. Now, what is this word? Wake up. Now do the action of sleep. Okay. See this word. Sleep. Do the action of sleep. Okay. Do the action of read. Read. Do the action of read. Okay, now show the card. Okay, very good. Now you take one cheat from here and do the action. Take one cheat. What is this cheat? What is the cheat? Show us. What is written? Smile.
Smile.
Now do the action of smile. Okay, take one next cheat. What is that word? Read this word.
G-L-N-G.
क्या होता है? Sing.
Sing.
Show this word. Sing. Now do the action of this word. Okay. So this is what all action words you have to do. One another activity. Children, you have to do one another activity on action word. That is, you have to write two action word from starting with this letter. What is this letter?
C.
C. Two action word you have to write in this paper that start from C. So we start from C. One is cry
Cry.
and one is catch. 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 Yes. Catch and cry. These two action word. So another letter is R. You have to write two letter action word R. Start from R. One is reading and one is
Run.
run. Very good. Run. Okay. Now you say two letters from G.
Great.
Great is not action word. Go.
Go.
Go. Okay. So two action word you have to write here. You take these two letter 1, 2 and 3 and write two letters of action word in this workbook. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.